After an impressive 3-year shutdown for extensive upgrades and maintenance, the renowned Large Hadron Collider, LHC, at CERN, situated near Geneva in Switzerland, roared back to life in April 2022. This momentous event marked the initiation of an extraordinary scientific endeavor known as Run 3, which promises a series of mind-boggling experiments scheduled to captivate the world's attention until 2024. While NASA and Tesla focus on space exploration, the European Organization for Nuclear Research delves into unraveling the mysteries of Earth and unlocking its hidden potential. CERN, renowned as one of the world's largest and most esteemed scientific research centers, employs scientists, physicists, and engineers in their quest to answer the most perplexing questions in science. Their investigations range from exploring other dimensions and dark matter to delving into unproven theories. These endeavors are supported by intricate and advanced scientific instruments that are beyond the scope of imagination. Although CERN has achieved groundbreaking discoveries such as neutral currents, the Higgs boson, and the elusive God particle, the thirst for scientific knowledge persists.